Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hello, let's get our stuff ready for tomorrow. Let's see, I've got half a serving of avocado here. Really, I just put in enough until the lid fits, and I know that that's half a serving because that's how much this little thing holds. So we got our, oh, look at me, closing it up and forgetting my, well, what is this doing down here? Closing it up and then forgetting my guacamole and more seasoning. Carnivore, Terry, Carnivore. All right, this is some guacamole and more seasoning. Now listen, we're going to do something different for lunch tomorrow. I mean, I've done it before, but it's been a little bit. So, okay, so we got our guacamole. And we're going to do something different for breakfast. I think it was Elizabeth. Please don't get mad if it wasn't Elizabeth. I got my 2 eggs. I'm going to put in my cheese here. But I think Elizabeth said that it would taste really good if I put my onions, some onions and mushrooms in my eggs. Well, yeah, hello. That's a no-brainer. Smartness, but I didn't think of it. You know, I just kind of don't think about all the things. So we're going to put half of this little container down in with my eggs. There we go. Oh, I was going to get some bacon bits. Hang on. Yeah, I had them over here. So I'm going to put just a little bit of bacon bits in here. So there we go. That's going to be our eggs. And I need a lid. So that's our breakfast right here in the morning. Now, oh, that's why I had this out. Because tomorrow, we're going to take us a Southwestern something or another. So, I have my salad. No, that ain't it. Where is it? Here's my salad that I made up. And it's all the measurements that we already put in there. So, but we're going to put in this big bowl over here. Okay. Now, from here, we're going to add in some jicama. Because, you know, I think jicama is grown in Mexico. So, we're going to add a little jicama. And I just got back from the thing. I did not win the thing, but that's okay. The lady who won has been with the company 24 years, and she does amazing, amazing work with our clients. I tell you, if somebody else was going to win, I'm so glad it was her. She, like I said, she's been there 24 years, and the average lifespan of a caseworker in the mental health community at our type of, nope, you eat that, boy. The average work span is like 2 years. So she's been there 24 years. And so, you know, she's doing a lot of good work with her clients. So they all had a lot of nice things to say about her too. So anyway, but so that was nice. I was glad that she won because like I said, she's got the tenure and she deserves to win. I've been there 12 years and she's been there 24. But dadgummit, she's a caseworker, and that's a hard, hard job. Seasonings. We're going to add in a little bit of this guacamole and more. We're going to kind of carry it over. We are going to have, holy smokes, I almost dumped it. We're going to add some adobo, so think Southwestern. Some adobo, some paprika. Oh, and I forgot I have some Southwestern stuff there. I am going to put a little Greek because, you know, Greek seasoning on everything. Life is Greek seasoning. And then, so here they are. We got some medium fajita seasoning. This is just a brand that I bought from the Walmarts. And I got some mild Southwest ranch. Now, shake up this bad boy. Get that seasoning all over there. And then we are going to, where'd my scale go? I'm telling y'all, you need a scale. if you're in weight loss mode or maintenance mode or whatever, just get you a scale. You will be so glad. I'm going to do 60 grams of salsa. It is 2 servings, but we're doing 60 grams anyway because it's 2 servings and it's what I'm going to have. Oh, wait, that's on. Oh, no. Hang on here. Oh, there we go. 60 grams. Ha-ha. You go, Terri. Go, Terri. It's your birthday. And then we're going to add some of this Thai sweet chili sauce because you know I'm all about mixing stuff around here. We don't want to leave nobody out. So we're going to mix some Thai. All right. Nope, don't eat that, boy. They just hope I drop something. And then we're going to have some, I'm going to add some salad dressing because it's just good. I don't have any like, what do you call that stuff? The white sour cream. I don't have any sour cream. So, so that's that. So I season that up. I'm going to take these burgers with me tomorrow. So I'll just microwave them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. I had burgers today. Remember the burgers that I took on my trip that I didn't eat and I refroze? I had them today and so far I'm still alive. So far. So I haven't thrown up or been sick or anything. I'm adding in some of my pickled veg just because. Because I like them. I don't care. I don't care. It's what I like. Now, so I'm going to put this lid on here. And we'll put it in here. Got my burgers in here. I need an apple. And these are big apples, so I just need one. Hold on. Okay, so I put my apple in. And I'm going to take a fork and spoon. I had to bring a couple spoons back from work because I had too many there. All right, so that. And I'll have some coffee in here. I'll put this in the refrigerator. And I'll see you at breakfast. Bye. Hello, I'm back at work. And got my avocado with my, guacamole and more. And got my eggs. All right, let's see what we think with the onions and mushrooms in it. I mean, come on, it's going to be good. Onions and mushrooms will make anything taste good. It's fogging up my glasses. You're right. And I saved the other half for tomorrow, so I'll have that in my breakfast tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good idea. Okay, so I took my burger and I cut it into bite-sized pieces. Well, my 3 burgers. I'm gonna put it down into my bowl here and shake it up. I'm holding it away from me so I don't make a mess. Now, I just have to lick the lid. It makes it cleaner. And it's a lot of good flavors. Okay. Now, let's give it a taste. It didn't shake it up very good. It's still one big kind of clumpiness. All right, so let's get some of the veggies and the meat. So that's my lunch today. So that is the tile that I picked out. Hi, Sam. And I think that'll look good. Oh, man, I'm glad I did this. I need to wipe that side of this off. I need to wash that off. Anyway, guys, hey, I got britches on, don't worry. I'm trying to show them. So anyway, that's the coloring, that's the flooring, it's the peeling stick. It's what my sister said to get. You know, they do a lot of DIY stuff, so I just do what I'm told. I'm gonna stick that down in there just so we can kind of see. So that's how it's gonna look. Only they'll cut it, of course, but that's how it'll look. Let me see if I can zoom in. Come on, zoom in. And I think that'll look good against the light blue wall. There's a shadow right now. Now, let's see. Let me zoom back out. Oh, come on now. Zoom back out, fella. Hang on. Give me just a second. I can't bend over and talk at the same time. Now, let's see. There we go. All right. Now, let's see it. Kind of. I forgot I didn't have my light on. Anyway, so that's the wall. I mean, you see the walls are like a light blue color. Let me just stand this up here. Yeah, I think that'll look good. It's got some grays in it and white. Kind of white, but kind of gray. So I think it'll match the walls really well. So anyway, so there it is. Like I said, my sister will be in town. They're in town now, but they're coming tomorrow. So by the time I get home from work, they'll probably have the floors pulled up by the time I get home tomorrow. Maybe they can figure out what those tiles are. Hopefully, like one of y'all said, there's no asbestos in it. But they've been doing this for a long time. Those two really like to do this stuff. So, okay. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got. Okay, bye. We're having a weird... I don't know, it might be weird, but I have some, this is some, looks like some pork chops that I made up. And I'm going to put them in some pasta sauce. Serving of this is 125 grams. I'm going to put some of this on there. Okay. And I have this is some of that mashed rutabaga from the way I cooked it. I know one of y'all said you didn't like the rutabaga when you did it, like just the whole thing in the microwave and cut it apart. I don't care for it as much either. So, my suggestion to you is add some egg to it and maybe pat it out into like a potato cake type situation. You know, kind of like a rutabaga, like a potato cake or baker cake. But I'm with you. This is not my favorite way to eat this. But, you know me, I ain't wasting nothing. So I'm going to get this microwaved and I'll get back to you. By the way, I got a card in the mail. Keep it this way so you don't see the address. From Gloria Chambers. You have a caring heart and a generous spirit. And I'm so grateful that my life has been touched by both. I'm not going to read all of it, but it's from Gloria Chambers. I'm not going to, because she wrote a lot, and some of it's just personal, so I'm not going to read it. But look at that. Isn't that cute? It's like it's one of those raised, it's a raised, I don't know what you call that. But anyway, 3D, that's what I'm looking for. Thank you, Gloria. I'm going to read this, but I just don't want to read it all on, you know, so it's just personal. So, I just want you to know I got it. So, okay. Thank you very much. I love cards. I love them. I'm going to put it up on my wall after I read it, though. All right. For the record, I added some Crave All Day seasoning and some salt. That's what you had seen me add to it. So, let's see what we think. But yeah, my favorite way is fried. Of course. I also like it, what do you call it? Like whenever I added some cream to it, made it like a soup, that was good too. Or with meat in there, so like a beef and tomato soup, or potato soup. Let's see what we think of this. If I don't burn myself, let's see. It's hot. It's good. And I put a little gravy on that too. So that's my supper. Rutabaga. Oh, I forgot the veggies. or the fruit. Just know I'm going to have some fruit. I'll get that too. Because my sister's messaging me because she's on her way. And so she wants to talk about the floor. So I got to go. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, Gloria. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. And yes, I will watch. I'm curious what you got. She says, a package should be arriving in 7 to 10 days. I hope this helps with your knife and hammer trick with the Begas. One whack should get deep into it. And then she also says, hold on to the vise and slightly aim the baker. Hit the baker on the cutting board. So I'm curious what it is. Also, the other will help with the no more tears with the onions. So I'm super curious what you have coming. You never have to do that. I love cards and I love smiles and I love the comments. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I will let you know when it gets here. Thank you. Want to hear something funny? Do you know why my rutabaga didn't taste good? It ain't rutabaga. It was that butternut squash that I made. That's why it tastes funny. I was eating it. I'm like, it's just stringy. What the heck is wrong with this? Because it ain't rutabaga. Oh, well. I thought even the color looked a little bit weird, but that's why. It ain't rutabaga. It's butternut squash, and here I am. Wonder why my rutabaga tastes bad. Now we know. Whoopsies. Okay. Bye.